Hey everybody, just checking to see if I got this. Welcome to Career Prep. So, just want to show you a few things that you need to do. You do need to, I deleted the personal plan for success, so I'm just going to delete this out of here. So, I need you to go into the syllabus and take a look at the syllabus and what we're going to be doing, which I will talk about in a minute. And then I need to edit this. I'll edit the adaptive release in a minute. But anyway, the first section that you're going to be doing is job searching and networking. So this is a career prep class. And the outcome of this class and what you're going to walk away with is one, you're going to have a completed resume. You are going to have a completed cover letter and a completed thank you note done, which is some really great things to be able to walk away with. We're going to be talking about social networking and job searching tools, which is our discussion board. You're going to have an elevator pitch, so when people ask you, what are you going to be doing? You can certainly do that. So this first section, what you're going to be doing is you are going to be reading and reviewing the attached PowerPoint, the job search PowerPoint. You're going to look for a job posting and you're going to fill out the social networking and job searching discussion board. So that will be the first thing that you're going to be completing for this class. Okay, so I'm just going to go look at the. So this is the career prep syllabus. It's 1 credit. There are discussion boards, a cover letter, a resume, and you'll also be doing a mock interview. So I think the mock interview is probably the most beneficial piece of this. We'll have mock interviews arranged here in the evening and during the day. So you can pick a time, and once I know those dates, you'll be able to sign up and register for those. If you're extremely far away, we can definitely make some arrangements, potentially at a different regional center for you to do that with. That would be my preference and probably the best for you. I do find that sometimes if people don't understand the background of the class, the mock interview rubric that gets filled out is not always filled out in your best interest. So it's better if you can come in. So let me just put it that way. So this is kind of what we'll be doing. You have job search and networking techniques here and the social networking. So that's really what we're going to be covering the first week. Cover letter, rough draft, and then the final draft for your cover letter will be the week after. So what's going to happen is you're going to turn in your rough draft on November 4th for your cover letter, and then I'm going to give you feedback, and it needs to kind of meet our guidelines. So definitely use the book that we talk about from Career Services for this. It's very inexpensive, and it gives you lots of samples to pick from. And there is a rubric for it, so make sure you incorporate the rubric because that's what I grade off of. And then the same week that your final draft is due for the cover letter, which should just be some minor tweaks and shouldn't take you very long, you're going to be doing your resume rough draft. Again, using the book for the techniques and guidelines. And then your resume final draft is due on the 18th, as well as your professional reference list. There's a discussion board on interview experiences, and you're going to be writing a successful interview paper. And then you'll be working on your elevator pitch, which you will be recording, and there's information in there on how to record. And then we'll be listening to each other's elevator speeches and commenting on that in the discussion board. An elevator speech is like 30 seconds or less. It's really your brief time with somebody to tell them what you want to make a lasting impact. And I'll be posting some things to help you along the way in each of these areas. And then your thank you letter is on December 9th. And then there's an assignment called Go for the Goal, which is December 13th that's due. So those are the things that we'll be working on assignment-wise in the class. So work through Learning Plan 1 for this week. But I just want to highlight that the The book that we want you to have is that NWTC Career Guide, and it was put together by our Career Services. It's very, very well done. The revision date is July 2019. Make sure that you get yourself a copy of that. Do not skimp on that. You'll want that for sure. This will make it so much easier for you to be successful in this class. Okay, so that is all that I have for you to get started. If you have questions, let me know. Again, this is not a self-paced class. We have due dates, so make sure you watch your due dates and get everything in timely for this. Okay, and watch rubrics because there's a rubric for everything. That's all I have.